Hello YouTube. Well, I found this out today because I was getting really pissed at my phone because it wouldn't charge through the normal charge port on the side. So what I did was I did a little bit of research online, and to safely charge your phone, you can safely charge your phone off your computer because your computer puts out a low voltage power supply. So all you have to do is get any normal USB cable. That's what this is connected to now. And cut off the end of it like that. And then you gotta take it and take the I'll show you with this wire because I don't want to take those out because it was a pain in the ass to put like that. I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, what you do is you just strip the wire. Okay, that's all you need to do. And then you take the red wire and the black wire. There's 4 wires. Okay, you got 4 wires. You need the red one and you need the black one. These 2 are data cables. Just cut them off. Okay, you don't need them, they're not important. Alright, now for these 2 cables, just go ahead and strip them. Okay, now that you got them stripped, you want them both to look like that. You just want a little bit out. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your phone, and you know what? I'm just gonna undo this for you. You're gonna take your phone, and the red one goes to positive and the black one goes to negative, and it'll charge your phone like that. Okay, I was really pissed off because my phone wouldn't charge at all this morning, and my girlfriend just called me a genius because she saw I was doing this. But it'll charge your phone just fine. It takes a little bit longer than a normal charger, but this is probably the only way. This is the only way I could find that actually worked for any phone. This works for any type of phone. See, it's just out like that, and you put it in between the plus and the minus. You can't see that. Well, it says right over here on this side is the plus and on this side is the minus. The middle one is a temperature thing. It basically tells the phone all the information from the battery, like how much of a charge the battery has and stuff. Anyway, I also put down on the bottom of my phone, this place is metal, and if these 2 wires touch the metal at the same time, it'll just make the metal really hot. So I didn't want that, so I took a piece of electrical tape. Pretty much anything that doesn't connect electricity will work right there, and you just put it under the terminals. That way, when they're in your thing, they're not touching the metal. That way because they're going to be like that up against it. Anyway, that's all you need to do. That's all I did anyway. I held it like this, gently pushed it down over this terminal, and then it can't touch the other terminals. That was something no one told me, because it just gets really freaking hot because it's shorting out. And then you just slide the battery in. And it charges. And then where's that? I need a new piece. And then just tape it down like that so it stays. And what do you know? It works. Amazing. And this does shock you if you're not careful, and it does hurt like hell. So just putting that out there, you don't want to shock yourself because it fucking hurts.